Hey everyone, this is Tanya Singla. So today's topic of discussion is marketing mix, which is a very big topic and very interesting and very easy topic. So what is marketing mix? Marketing mix is a policy framework adopted by the marketer to get success in the field of marketing. It refers to the amount and kind of marketing variables that the firm is using at a particular time. Under marketing mix, we include product mix, price mix, promotion mix, and distribution mix, or we can say place mix. So this is all are the components of marketing mix which we will study thoroughly. Marketing mix is a pack of four set of variables, namely product mix, price, promotion, and place variables. If you didn't yet subscribe my channel, so please do it first and like my videos. So we have already studied that marketing mix is a pack of four sets of variables, namely product, price, promotion, and place variable. This is known as marketing mix. We have four elements of marketing mix: product, price, promotion, place, or we can say distribution mix. We will study individually element thoroughly. First of all, we will study about product. What is product mix? The product is the focus of all marketing activities. Product is the sum total of tangible and intangible attributes, including product design, style, size, quality, color, brand name, packaging, labeling, after-sale services, etc. Product mix also includes product differentiation, standardization, grading, product line, etc. Hence, product mix is the total of all products offered for sale by a company. Some importance are product design, product line, product quality, product branding, product labeling. So let's start with product design. As we can see in the image, that product design, every company has their own design of their product. As you can see that the chair is product design. Product design is a very important feature, especially in consumer product like shoe, ready-made garment, furniture, crockery, automobile, etc. Product line. Product line is a group of closely related products which are able to satisfy similar class of need. For example, BPL company manufacturing television, refrigerator, music system, washing machine, etc. in different models. This is known as product line. After that, product quality. Product quality depends on the design, material used, manufacturing process, workmanship, packaging, etc. Generally, specific grade or standard of quality of the product are determined either by agreement among the producer or by law. The quality can be fixed in terms of size, weight, color, shape, appearance, flavor, finish, strength, and other physical features depending upon the nature of the product. Now, next point is product branding. Every company has their own brand. As we can see in the image, Pepsi has the Breeze brand, Circle, Lay's, Mountain Dew, Tropicana, Cheetos, Miranda, and Lipton, and others we have branding. Product labeling. Product labeling means the information given by the manufacturer to the consumer. As Amul, we have brand name Amul Taza, in which we can see the labeling. Labels are fixed to product to identify them and to describe its ingredients, quality, quantity, and other characteristics. There are different types of labels such as descriptive, informative, grade designing, or combination of these. This is known as product mix. Now we'll study about price mix. What is price mix? Price is the value of a product expressed in terms of money. It is a matter of vital importance to the buyer and the seller. Exchange of goods and services take place only when the price is agreed upon between the buyer and the seller. Price is the primary source of revenue to a firm. What is the price? Price is that amount which we have to pay in their product. So first of all, we have one point: pricing policy and strategies. Pricing policies and strategies. The pricing policy and strategies are the guidelines which help the marketer in determining the price so as to match the market needs. The price of a product depends upon factors like demand, cost, nature of product, nature of customer, trade customs, competition, distribution, channel, etc. After that, terms of credit. To increase the sale, credit sales are necessary. Credit sales will reduce the liquidity position of a firm, but it certainly increases the profitability. Resale price maintenance. Resale price maintenance is the practice whereby a manufacturer and its distributor agrees that the latter will sell the former product at certain price. Resale price maintenance at or above a price floor, minimum resale price maintenance, or at or below a price ceiling, maximum resale price maintenance. What is resale price maintenance? It is a practice by which a manufacturer tries to ensure that his product is sold to the consumer at the printed price. It removes price competition and increases the goodwill of the firm. Profit margin. Profit margin is that margin which we can say it is a difference between the final price paid by the consumer and the cost of production or delivery price is known as profit margin. After that, delivery terms. Clear out policy are to be spelled out regarding the term of delivery as to the quantity, time, place and other conditions because safe and timely deliveries are favored by the customer. As we can see, there is a truck, then ship, then truck. So I hope all this is clear to you. Now we will study about promotion mix. What is promotion mix? Promotion mix is the communication mix. Promotion is mean by which a marketer talks to its existing and potential customer. Promotion is an effort to push forward goods and services in such a way so that they gain customer acceptance. Such a communication promotion effort can be personal or impersonal. First of all, we have point personal selling. As we can see in the diagram, that the lady having a phone in her hand, describing its feature to her customer. As the brand is Apple, which is very popular brand nowadays. It is an oral communication between firm and its customer. It is useful when market is concentrated, product has a higher unit value and need demonstration. After that, advertising. Advertising which we see in our television, newspaper, radio, billboard, magazine, internet, etc. All what is this? All are advertising. Sale promotion. Sale promotion क्या है? This is the example of sale promotion. Buy one get one free offer across the store. Sale promotion provides special offer for a limited period to induce consumer purchase. The offer can be in the form of gift coupon, premium, discount, free sample, gifts, etc. Now, trade fair and exhibition. Sometimes the company used to choose a place where they want to exhibit their products so that consumer may be able to know about their product. After that, public relation is very important in the promotion mix. As we are able to make public relation, we can also able to achieve the goal of our organization. Now we will talk about place mix. Place mix or distribution mix, we can say. Place mix is distribution mix. As we all know, it is concerned with the smooth flow of goods and services from the producer to consumer by creating time, place and possession utilities. It signifies two things, namely physical distribution and the channel of distribution. It also includes transportation, warehousing, inventory control, wholesaling, retailing, etc. So first of all, we will talk about transportation. As you can see, transportation, we have a number of mode of transportation like air transportation, road transportation, bus we have, or we can say train and other source of transportation for sending goods and services from producer to seller or consumer. After that, warehousing. It is a place where surplus goods are stored and made available to the market when needed. It creates time utility. Now we have inventory level. Level of inventory can be predicted by analyzing the past and current sale level of competition and economic situation. As we can see in the diagram, we have different month-wise inventory level, which is in decreasing way. Now we have distribution channel. Distribution channel means refer to the movement of goods and services from the point of production to the point of consumption. Like we have direct distribution, producer to industrial customer, or producer to agent, then to industrial customer, producer to distributor, then to industrial customer. As we have producer, then agent to, and distributor and industrial customer. What are all this? This is all a distribution channel. Now we'll talk about physical distribution. Physical distribution is an important area of decision making under place mix. It includes distribution planning and accounting, inbound transportation, material handling, inventory management, in-plant warehousing, order processing, packaging और repackaging, dispatch of goods. फिजिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का एक बहुत बड़ा एग्जांपल हम ले सकते हैं आजकल के टाइम में जो ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग हो रही है, ऑनलाइन परचेजिंग हो रही है, तो उसमें क्या होता है, फिजिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है। ये जो पर्सन होते हैं वो हमें फिजिकली आकर हमें प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल कराते हैं। सो दिस इज नॉन एज फिजिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। This is all about the marketing mix and its element. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.